Hey guys, we received this Dewenwils remote control light socket with a timer. So it's a E26 or E27 wireless light switch with a wall mounted remote light bulb socket for closet, basement or any other places. So let me just open this, unbox and show you the content. So this one have the screws to put in the wall plate, the main adapter, the light socket, and it's a wall plate with the remote that you can take it out. So you can take it out. It's like a remote control, or you can just wall mount it this wall plate, and then you can put this here. So it's act as a both as a remote as well as for the wall mount switch. You can take this plate out and then use the screws to put it. So I'm just taking out this for the battery thing, and then you can use it. So the manual describe the process. It's a simple process of putting it in the light switch or the light socket and put in the bulb and then start with the remote. So you can see this is a magnetic strip in the back, and you can use this screws so that you can put this wall plate on the wall. So that you can easily put this remote on the top of it. So this will act as a remote, and it's a very strong magnet, as you can see. And this have this on and off and with the timers. So this is a timer along with the switch, so it's good. So let me just put this light socket in this normal E26 socket. So let me do its demo. So fitting is not a problem, it fits really well. And then I'm just putting a light bulb for the demo purpose. So the light bulb was also E26 and it fits really well on it. So see, like if I am turning this remote, the switch is turning it on and off. You can also set the timer, and you can also use this like on and off from a place. So it can be used as a wall mount or be used as a remote. Very nice thing to have.